guys, hello and welcome everyone back to another video. Now in today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different because a company called Yum Cars Detailing has actually sent me out a package to do with car valeting. So what I've been doing over the past sort of 6 months is I've actually been doing like car valeting as a bit of a hobby and also earn a bit of cash as well. So I thought, why don't I contact a detailing company, get me them to send out some products to use on a YouTube video, and then it's a bit of promotion for them, and also I can show you what I've been up to recently. So as per normal videos, Mia's just sat in the corner drinking hot chocolate and just being, you know, gorgeous. So yeah, Yum Cars have actually sent out this package, and yeah, I don't actually know what's in there. I have not a clue. They just basically said we're going to send you out a little care package, so let's unbox it and see what's in there. So this is the box that actually, sorry about the cars by the way, because I am on a main road, but yeah, this is the box that came through the post, so let's unbox it. The first time to see what they actually sent me. This, I'm actually seriously looking forward to this. I have no clue what's in it. That'll do. Here we go. Oh, we got a load of those like polystyrene foam things. Oh dear, here we go. So, you ready? Let's see what's inside of here. Wow. So, looks like I've got a utility towel. Now, can I just say, I actually watched one of my favourite YouTubers called The Savage Garage. I'll leave a link in the description. He does like car projects and like does how to do brakes and just how to do up cars and fix cars. And he's also done a valeting video with this company. So that is why I got the idea of messaging them to see if they can send me out some stuff. So yes, shout out to Savage Garage for giving me the idea of doing this video. Wow. Oh, no way, they actually sent me the Christmas cracker. That is cool. The Yum Cars Christmas cracker. So I've got a drying towel, which is awesome. I've got their utility towel. I've got a Yum Cars sticker. That's quite cool. I've got a packet of Haribos. I can't get wrong with Haribos. I'm just going to eat these right now.
We have to pull that.
We should pull it.
Yeah, we should.
Right. So you ready to pull the Christmas cracker? Actually, I want to see your side. So guys, we're going to pull the Christmas cracker. You ready? 3, 2.
Oh wait, no, mine's broke.
Did you pull it? You got to pull it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you got sweets in it. What else is in there? Got fudge. What else is in there?
It looks like shampoo.
Oh no,
it is. Car shampoo.
A little tiny car shampoo. How cool is that? And it also comes with a sticker.
I think it's got 2 Christmas hats in here.
And 2 Christmas hats. What? And 2 sweets?
Yeah, a whistle.
No way. That is cool. That is a really cool idea, especially as it's coming up to Christmas. We're not wearing the hats for the video, no. So, there we go. So, yes, you can wear yours if you want. So, Mia's going to put her hat on. So, Yum Cars car shampoo. That's really cool. I'll put that over there. There's also a sticker there. So, there we go. Mia's put her hat on. So, check the camera. Let's have a look at what else is in it. So, you've also got a Yum Cars car sticker, I'm guessing. So, I'll stick that on my car. That is awesome. Let's go in here. We've got a plush towel. Now I don't actually know what this is. I'm guessing it's like to buff it off, like a polishing towel kind of thing. But then we've also got, here are the products. So we've got a Yum interior. Now I do actually know a little bit about this because I watched Savage Garage's I think it's like 56-minute video of all these products. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So we've got the interior. We'll read the instructions in a minute anyway. And then we've also got the Yum foam, which I'm guessing is the snow foam, just a guess. We've also got the just the general wash in the bucket. We've also got the detailer, like the quick detailer. That is awesome. What else we got in here? The wheels. That is gonna be good because my wheels are absolutely filthy. We've got so much stuff. Wow. We've also got the glass cleaner. Oh, these are cool. No way. And then we've got the deodorizer, the lemon zest, which I'm guessing has that on it, and it sprays my car of lemon. That is awesome. Is there anything else in it? Oh, yes there is. A Yum ceramic. That's quite cool. Anything else? That must be it now, isn't it? Must be. Well, there we have it. If we put this box down here for a minute, put that in there, put this box down here. Oh dear. Oh, that smells. So nice. Can you smell that?
Yeah.
I'm just going to spray it now just because I want to smell it. Oh, that is lemony. That is nice. That is so smelly. That is really cool. Well, I'll leave that on there, I don't need the lid. So there we go, that is all the stuff we got from Young Cars, which is awesome. We've got drying towels, we've got utility towels, we've got spray, which smells amazing. We've also got a few stickers up there. We've also got chocolate, which I'm probably going to eat in a second. But yeah, I've just put this out on Instagram. So if you, and I've also tagged them in it. So if you want to go follow my Instagram is Brett Barnes. So hit me up and give me a follow. So I think the plan, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use products that I've already got as well. Because say if they haven't provided, I don't know, tyre shine or whatever, I'm going to use that of my own stuff as well. Because obviously I do car valeting, so I've got stuff of my own. So what I can do is I'm going to review each product, and most of them I feel like I'm going to use in this video. I'll probably use the glass in this video, I'll probably use the wheels in this video, I'll probably use the foam in it, and then yeah, I'll probably use most of them. But if not, I'll probably do like another video in the future using the products. But yes, let's check out some of the products from Yum Cars. Yeah, first of all, I don't really know what's the first to do. I guess we'll start with the inside, and then yeah, because at the minute my inside's the inside of the car is a bit filthy, just, you know, just a little bit, and also there's loads of car parts at the back, so yeah, you probably can't even see it, but yeah, look at all that. So there we have it. I'm in a bit of a rush. Like basically what's happening is the sun is going to go down very soon, but I've now hoovered out like a little bit of the car. Like now it's like semi-clean. Obviously I've got to tackle this in a minute with some different cloths and some bits and bobs, but it has had a quick hoover. If I'm going to be truly honest, I'm not too worried about the inside, because I'll do that when I do myself like a full-on valet, but this is more about the actual product itself and using the products and see what they're like. So I think first of all, we've obviously got to use the interior, I'm guessing. First of all, use the interior, and yes, let's see how to do this. So it says spray the Yum interior directly onto Yum Cars utility towel, which is that one, which is a microfiber. Switch to the Yum Cars utility towel, yeah, to buff off any residue. Regularly refold and change utility towel during the interior cleaning process. This keeps, and then it says follow up with the Yum Cars deodorizer to keep your interior smelling amazing. So yeah, there's very simple instructions. Basically, to round up that, all we got to do is spray this on the utility towel and wipe it in the interior of the car. And I'm kind of guessing it goes on any surface. I'm not entirely sure, but let's see how it looks. So I guess the best way to do this is just to spray it on the actual towel itself, and then wipe it over all the surfaces. It doesn't say what surface. Oh, it says, yeah, you can spray it onto plastic or leather surfaces. So I got plastic here, so let's see. I don't know how many we've got to do, but I'm guessing about there. And just kind of rub it in and then see. Basically, I'm just going to rub it over all the surfaces that I see and just see how it comes out. So it says every so often just keep folding it, so keep folding it again and then spray it again. Guys, if you do actually want me to do like a full-on detail, like an hour video or something of how to clean the car properly, please let me know, because I will use these products as well. But we're literally just trying them out and giving my best. Oh god, just sprayed up my finger. And giving my best kind of review that I can of what these are like for cleaning cars. Just smells nice, doesn't it? It smells really good. And I like the bottles as well. Like, they're really nice. It says like follow them on Facebook and YouTube and all that. So yeah. This is a very quick job, but this is more of just a maintenance clean. I'm not actually giving it a full whack. It's just no point with all the weather, but it's nice to give it a good maintenance clean every so often. So that's the back, so I'm just going to spray a few little bits in here just to make it smell nice. And then I'll spray a little bit down by Mia. She's basically in the car just to basically keep warm. So just spray a little bit down there. And that will just basically keep the carpets nice and fresh and just smell good. So yeah, this is just like a little bit of an air freshener kind of spray, I guess. Yeah, so we'll get, basically, let me just quickly finish up the interior. I've given you a bit of a overview of like the few products inside, but this feels well good. That feels clean, that's like real good. But yeah, I've done a little bit of the interior just to show you. I'm going to currently get that all clean, but with a certain brush and stuff like that. And then we'll get onto the exterior, which is the part that I actually want to show you, and we can show you with like the foam gun, if not like that. And just, you know, hopefully make the car look really nice and clean. So guys, I think now we're going to go on to the Yum Glass Cleaner, which literally just says spray on and it gives a fine mist, and then remove immediately with a Yum Cars utility towel, which is that one. So there we have it. We've used the interior, we've used the deodorizer, we've also used the glass. We're going to use this again for the outside, and this is the bit I'm looking forward to, is actually doing the outside, because I've got a foam gun and everything like that. So this should be pretty darn good. So now we're on to the exterior. I'm guessing we're going to use the foam. Fill the snow foam lance bottle with approximately 1 to 2 inches of yum foam and the remainder with fresh water. Cover the vehicle from top to bottom, leaving it to dwell for about 5 minutes. So this will be a bit of a test to see how well it actually dwells and actually sticks to the car. So let's open it up and put it into our foam lance and see how it goes. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to put it straight on the car, just because I want to get something just to lift off the dust, all of the to lift off the like the muck, because I don't want to spray straight on it because it could scratch the paintwork and stuff like that. And I know it's a bit of a bad car, but I've been trying to look after it as much as I can. So this is the actual foam gun I use. It's only like the built-in Karcher one or whatever it's called. So let's just see how this goes. It says put 1 to 2 inches in the bottom. So let's do that. You know what? I don't think I'll use much more than that. That's an inch. That's nearly about an inch. That's about right, isn't it? So, right, let me put that back. I'm going to fill it up with cold water. There we go. I filled that up with cold water, and let's put that on there, and let's see how well this sticks to the car. I feel like that's running a bit too much. So I'm going to put a little bit more foam in there. I don't think I've actually done it right. I don't know, but let's put a bit more foam in there and find out. So let's try that again. So I've just sprayed the car fully, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that dwell for about 5 minutes, and then we'll spray it all off with the jet wash and see how well it's actually like absorbed all the dust, and see how well it lifts up all the grime and stuff. Another thing is I actually normally use the Demon foam, and this is really runny, and also but a good thing about it is it smells amazing. But this doesn't seem to have much of a smell. I don't know why, but it seems to be doing a better job at the minute though. So let's see how it gets on. So there we go, I've literally just sprayed it on and then sprayed it off, and it's got, I would say it's probably got about 80% of the actual muck on it. Like, it's not actually that dirty anymore, like it's literally not. It's literally just like the really bad stuff, like all these marks here, like that's like real like deep stuff. But other than that, it's done a fairly good job. Obviously the wheels, it's done nothing to because it's not a wheel cleaner. But like, other than that, it's not looking too bad. We'll have to see when we've actually agitated it. So what we'll do is I'm going to spray more on, using the foam gun again, and then we'll actually agitate it all off. So what we're going to do now is we're going to spray the second one off, and then we're going to go around with the shampoo and then actually wash it and agitate it, and hopefully it should look quite good. So I squirted a little bit of the shampoo in here, and now it's literally time to go around with a microfiber like wash mitt and then wash it like normal. But normally I don't normally do this, but I'm following the instructions a little bit. So now we just got to go around. Oh, it smells good. And then literally just wash the car like this, and then see how it looks after it's been agitated a little bit. There we have it. That is what the car looks like after a wash and a mitt, and as you can see, it is looking really nice and clean. Now we're going to quickly do the wheels. We're going to do the wheels because they are awful, and then we'll use the drying towel to dry the car and make it look really nice. So this is the Yum wheels, so I'm going to have a quick read of it and then tell you. It says clean one wheel at a time, rinse wheel with a powerful blast from pressure washer, which I've done. Spray the wheel service livery with the Yum wheels, which is this. As the cleaner begins to change colour, agitate it with a wheel brush, rinse thoroughly after cleaning each wheel, and then dry the... Basically I'm just going to spray it, and then I'm going to get my microfiber mitt, because I've already done the car, and just basically agitate it basically. So let's just spray this wheel, and hoping this does a good job. Oh, it smells like hairdresser stuff. So there we go. So there we go, guys. You can actually see it starting to go purple, and I guess, oh yeah, that's coming off lovely. So what I'm going to do while it's doing this is I'm going to quickly agitate it with this like sponge, and then, oh wow, look at that. That has come out a treat. Lovely, that looks really good. So I'm going to quickly basically agitate it with this sponge. Look at that difference. Obviously ignore like all the curb brush and all that, but look at that. It's actually clean. That is lush. Really struggling with the light at the minute, but look how clean this is now. Look at those wheels. They are so good. Let's have a go with this and see how well it soaks up all of the liquid. Tell you what, this does actually soak it up really well, like seriously well. So I do apologise guys, I'm really losing light, but let's put a bit of glass cleaner on the outside and see how it comes out. But so far guys, I'm really impressed with the car. Like, it's looking so clean. You probably can't even tell on camera how clean it looks, but my god, it looks good. So let's put a bit of glass cleaner on and rub it in. I've actually ran out of their cloths because I basically got really dirty. So now let's try this with just a cloth that I've got from home and see if it leaves a smear. So there we go guys, my car is now completely clean. I've done everything. I've used about 90% of the products really. I've used the wheels, we've used the deodorizer, we've used the foam, we've used the glass, we've used the wash, we've also used the interior. As you can see, I've done 4 wheels of that and it's used about that much. The snow foam just basically just it's like 2 goes with this little bottle. Glass, I've literally done all the outside and the inside, but maybe I wasn't using enough, I don't know. And then the wash, obviously you just need a little bit of that. And these I'm yet to use. I'm yet to use the detailer, the quick detailer. I just haven't had time today. Basically, but I will use it either in another video when I do more car stuff, or just use it in my own personal time and let you guys know what I think about it. But yeah, I really hope you guys actually have enjoyed this kind of style video. It's been a little bit strange because it's obviously now winter, so I've had to kind of rush to do it because there's no time that I can do it within the week, and also the weather is just awful. But my car needed to do it, and this company sent these products. I wanted to try them out, and honestly, they've done a good job, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, a massive shout out to Young Cars Detailing because they sent me out free cloths, loads of cool products. Obviously these as well, and obviously the stickers and the cracker and Haribo and all that kind of stuff. So that the actual package was amazing, and so far the products have been amazing. I would probably say out of all of them, my favourite, or the ones that work the most for me, are probably this one. Is just like a really cool smelling spray. It smells amazing. The wheels do a really good job, as you can see. They look so good, and also the glass. Those are definitely my favourite. I haven't really had a proper go at the interior or the wash one properly, because I'd use most of the foam as the wash. And also, I can't really tell you what these are like, but I guess this is like a wax coating, like a ceramic. But I will probably do a video on this in the future. But yeah, but hopefully you guys did enjoy this kind of video. It's a little bit different, but I really enjoy doing this. But I'm struggling. I feel like I haven't done a very good way of putting it through the camera about products and all that kind of stuff, but I'm still learning how to do like car videos. I've done a few before, but nothing proper detail. But yeah, if you do want to see a full-on like interior and exterior full detail, like a full detail from start to finish, the actual video will probably be about an hour, and I'll teach you how to clean all the carpets, stuff like that, and we'll do it properly. Not just the maintenance wash, which was what this was, but I'll do the engine bay and we'll do the boot and everything. There we go. Here it is, the clean car. Look how clean this looks. It probably doesn't even look clean on camera, but my god, look how, like, literally, look, I can see myself in it, and it's dark as well. Look how clean this is. Look at that. That's nuts, isn't it? That's crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video right here. I just want to say a massive thank you to Young Cars Detailing for sending out these products to be featured in this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a quick cinematic montage for you to see how the car looks now. Catch you guys in another video.